In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store download error 0x80d000a. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, use the search bar at the left side, type for Windows Store. Then wait until you can see a result, which is they find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it directly. And then the moment you have opened this window, click on next so that you can fix the problem if the app is not working right. Once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, let's move on to the second solution, and that is to sign out your Microsoft Store account. And once you have signed it out, sign it in again, and then check if the error has been resolved. And if not, finally navigate to the last solution, press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK button, and then wait until this process would be done. This will help you to reset your Microsoft Store cache as well as the junk files. Check if the error has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.